I have not posted here on TikTok in over 24 hours. It kind of makes me a little nervous, but not. But I'm going to tell you why. My job has literally sucked the life out of me. The last 3 days has been over the top, and I really don't know how much more I can take. And if your job does this to you and it makes you feel like this, burnout, frustrated, I am physically and mentally exhausted. For the past 3 days, I work in healthcare, if you don't know. I have been up at 4:30 a.m. I've worked till 6:30 at night. I work 12-hour plus days nonstop. I'm on my feet. I work in an area where there's radiation, and I wear 12 pounds of lead all day long. I barely get a break. I barely get to sit down, and I'm over it. And if this is how you feel and you're ready to start living life on your terms because you want more time freedom or for more financial freedom and you just don't know what to do, I have an amazing business opportunity that I would love to share with you. If you are open-minded and you are, again, just over it, you're tired of the hamster wheel, the rat race, the same thing over and over and over. We have one life. Don't waste it by spending your entire life on the hamster wheel, working for someone else, your body breaking down because you're just overworked and your mind, you're just mentally exhausted. I have an opportunity for you, and I'm looking for 12 serious people to lock arms, because if we lock arms and we work this business together, our lives will be completely different this time next year. And I'm on a mission to quit my job next November of 2024. If you don't join me, you can watch me. But if you want more information, drop the word info in the comments and we will chat. We can have a conversation. I'm a real person. I'll get on the phone with you to let you know all the information you need to do. And let's rock this out. Let's change our life.